Hey guys, Ryan from Spyker Workshop, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this Troy-Bilt gas snowblower. It's a two-stage, 208cc. I'm not sure what that is in horsepower. And my 1 horsepower electric snowblower going through the same type of very wet snow. It's like 34 degrees out today, so all the snow is very heavy and compact. I thought I'd give this walk around to show you the size comparison between a normal 2-stage gas and the Spyker KAT 2X and 2X snowblower. So the Spyker KAT 2X is not meant to replace a gas snowblower. As you can see, they're tuned for different kinds of snow. Mine is actually wider than this snowblower. This is a 24-inch width. Mine is 28 inches wide. So it's more designed for clearing lighter amounts of snow faster and easier than the 2-stage gas snowblower. So now I'm going to do just a quick couple shots of my friend helping me drive the Spyker KAT while I'm using the snowblower, and you guys can see how they compare. And then towards the end of the video I also have 2 Spyker KATs side by side blowing the wet snow here.